Alam nyo kano to? Phone holder din to. Pero what makes this special? Unang-una, murang-mura lang to. Pangalawa, it can be used as a tripod. Here you go. Pindutin nyo to. Okay? Amazing, right? And, isa pa, meron tong ilaw. Eto. Lagay natin to. Dito. Then, pwede nyo nang higpitan. See? By the way, it's battery operated. So, dalawang AA. Okay? And tong maliit na bilog na to, yan yung switch. That's 1, 2, 3. Ang linaw, diba? Kitang-kita yung pores mo dyan. Ganyang kalinaw. Amazing, right? At meron pa itong mic. Pero since I'm using my mic, ito na lang ang gagamitin ko. But you can actually use this set, including this, itong set na to, para ka na talagang yung nagpo-podcast. Yeah, you can do your vlogging. You can also use this as phone holder. Bring it with you outside habang nagva-vlog ka. Napakalaking tulong nito. Let's see kung naka-off yung ilaw. Yan. 1. Dun, 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 dun. 1, 2, 3. O, diba? Para at least hindi naman pang horror yung dati. Nandun dyan sa Yellow Basket if you're interested to buy and you're trying to complete yung set mo ng pang-vlog, try mo na to. Nasa Yellow Basket. Napaka-affordable.